Well, hey, y'all. So spend about a minute with me for a little bit of animal therapy. Hey, big boy. Yes, sir. Oh, you're such a lover boy. I'll show everybody how big you've gotten. Come here. Hey, come here. Stand up. There we go. There we go. Oh, yeah. Well, guys, if you're seeing this, just know you matter. You 100% matter. And you're amazing. You are absolutely amazing. Because in this game of life, there's no book. We're just learning as we go. So if you're getting by, you're doing something amazing. God bless you guys. Have a great day.